Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Santander online, secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Santander's online banking, www.santander.co.uk. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. On the Santander homepage, locate the Login button, typically found in the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for entering your details. In the first field, enter your 10-digit customer number. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password associated with the account. Ensure that your caps lock is off, as passwords are case sensitive. After entering your credentials, check for any error in your details. If everything is correct, click on the Login button below the password field. Wait a moment as your information is processed. Once logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, look for the Forgotten Password link. Click this link if you need to reset your password. Follow the prompts provided to recover access to your account. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if prompted. Once logged in, make sure to log out after finishing your session for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.